Kason, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you? Would you be interested in trying our new sour chicken butthole? Oh my gosh, Kason! Sour chicken butthole. Stop. Say it again. Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you? Would you be interested in trying our new sour chicken butthole? Sour chicken butthole. Okay. Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you? Would you be interested in trying our new sour chicken butthole? I'm moving to England and getting a boyfriend there.
Okay. One more time.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you? Would you be interested in trying our new sour chicken butthole? Did I mention it was sour? And chicken with butthole?
One more time.
Okay, one more time. Would you be interested in trying our new sour chicken butthole?
Say that.
Welcome to McDonald's. Casey, say welcome to McDonald's.
McDonald's.
How may I help you?
Can I help you?
Would you be interested in trying sour chicken butthole? Say sour chicken butthole. Butthole.
Say that.
Sour chicken butthole.
Okay, seriously, one more time.
Oh, Casey. Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you? Would you be interested in trying a new sour chicken butthole?
Jeez.
Oh my gosh, breathe.
You won't die.